This oil change mistake is silently destroying diesel pickup truck engines, and according to Consumer Reports, millions of truck owners are making it without realizing it. If you drive a diesel truck, this could already be happening to your engine right now. Diesel pickups are built to be tough, but they're also incredibly sensitive to oil quality and oil change habits. Consumer Reports warns that the biggest mistake owners make isn't skipping oil changes, it's using the wrong oil even when it technically meets specs. Modern diesel engines are engineered with tight tolerances, emission systems, and high-pressure fuel components that rely on very specific oil formulations to survive. Here's where things get dangerous. Many diesel owners assume that thicker oil equals better protection. Consumer Reports says that outdated thinking is quietly killing engines. Newer diesel trucks are designed for thinner, low-ash oils to protect turbochargers, fuel injectors, and diesel particulate filters. Using thicker or older spec oil causes excessive soot buildup, oil breakdown, and restricted oil flow where the engine needs it most. And the damage doesn't happen overnight. That's what makes this mistake so deadly. According to Consumer Reports, the oil may look fine on the dipstick while microscopic wear is grinding away at camshafts, turbo bearings, and high-pressure pumps. By the time warning lights come on, the damage is already done, and repairs can cost thousands. Even worse, many quick lube shops are part of the problem. Consumer Reports found that shops often default to generic diesel oil instead of manufacturer-specific oil, especially for Ford Powerstroke, Duramax, and Cummins engines. The truck runs fine at first, but internally, emission systems clog faster, oil passages sludge up, and fuel economy slowly drops. Another overlooked issue is oil change intervals. Consumer Reports explains that extended oil intervals may be fine under ideal conditions, but towing, idling, short trips, and cold starts destroy oil much faster than most owners realize. Trusting the dashboard reminder alone can leave contaminated oil circulating through your engine long past its safe lifespan. The scariest part is that most diesel owners think they're doing everything right. They change their oil, they keep records, and they trust professionals. Yet Consumer Reports shows that one small oil choice can shave years off a diesel engine's life. And once wear starts inside a diesel, it doesn't slow down, it accelerates. If you want your diesel pickup to last 300,000 miles or more, Consumer Reports says the solution isn't complicated, but it requires attention. Always use manufacturer-approved oil, not just diesel-rated oil. Match the exact viscosity and specification listed for your engine, especially if it's newer or emissions-equipped, and shorten oil change intervals if your truck works hard, even if the manual says you can wait longer. Because the truth is, diesel engines don't usually fail from abuse. They fail from small, repeated mistakes that feel harmless. And this oil change mistake is one of the most expensive ones you can make, especially if you don't catch it early enough. And Consumer Reports makes it clear that once internal wear reaches a certain point, no oil on the planet can reverse it. The damage compounds with every mile, every cold start, and every heavy pull, slowly robbing your engine of power and reliability without giving you any obvious warning signs. One of the most alarming findings Consumer Reports points out is how modern diesel emission systems amplify this mistake. The wrong oil increases ash content, which clogs the diesel particulate filter faster than normal. When that happens, regeneration cycles run more often, raising exhaust temperatures and putting extreme heat stress on turbos and sensors. The driver just sees a light come on, but inside the engine bay, components are being cooked. This is why some diesel owners experience turbo failures or fuel system problems far earlier than expected. Consumer Reports notes that these failures are often blamed on bad luck or poor design, when in reality, the oil was slowly choking critical systems from the inside. Even a single wrong oil change can accelerate wear that never truly stops. There's also the issue of oil dilution, something Consumer Reports highlights as a growing problem in newer diesel trucks. Excess fuel can leak into the oil during short trips and frequent regenerations. If the oil isn't specifically designed to handle this, it thins out, loses lubrication strength, and allows metal-to-metal contact at highway speeds. The engine sounds normal, but the protection is gone. What makes this even more frustrating is how preventable it all is. Consumer Reports emphasizes that many owners don't realize their truck requires a very specific oil standard, not just a viscosity grade. Missing that one detail can void warranties, shorten engine life, and turn a reliable work truck into a financial nightmare. And here's the part most people never hear at the dealership. Consumer Reports says service advisors often focus on mileage-based maintenance, not usage-based maintenance. If you tow, idle, drive in extreme temperatures, or make lots of short trips, your oil degrades much faster than the service schedule suggests. That means your engine is running on compromised oil long before the next recommended change. This is why Consumer Reports urges diesel owners to think of oil as a critical engine component, not just a routine fluid. It cools, cleans, protects, and supports emission systems all at the same time. When it's wrong or overstayed, it doesn't just fail quietly, it creates a chain reaction of expensive problems that seem unrelated until it's too late. And the most dangerous part of this oil change mistake is that it doesn't feel like a mistake at all. The truck starts, it pulls, it sounds strong, and nothing seems off. But inside the engine, tolerances are tightening, deposits are forming, and wear patterns are being locked in permanently, mile after mile. And Consumer Reports warns that by the time performance actually drops, the damage has already crossed the point of no return. Compression losses, worn cam lobes, and stressed bearings don't announce themselves early. They wait until the repair bill is unavoidable. Another detail Consumer Reports highlights is oil filter compatibility. Many diesel owners assume any filter that fits is good enough, but modern diesel engines demand filters designed for high soot loads and extended pressure cycles. Using a cheap or incorrect filter can bypass contaminants straight into the engine, undoing even the best oil choice in just a few thousand miles. This ties directly into cold start wear, one of the most destructive moments for any diesel engine. Consumer Reports explains that improper oil viscosity delays lubrication during startup, especially in colder climates. Those first few seconds without proper oil flow grind metal surfaces together, and over time, that repeated wear adds up faster than hard driving ever could. Even synthetic oil doesn't guarantee safety. Consumer Reports points out that not all synthetics are formulated for modern diesel emission systems. Some lack the additive needed to control soot, neutralize acids, and maintain film strength under extreme load. The label might say full synthetic, but the engine doesn't care about marketing. It cares about chemistry. And then there's the false sense of security from oil analysis myths. Consumer Reports cautions that relying solely on oil color or smell is misleading. Diesel oil darkens quickly by design because it's holding contaminants in suspension. That doesn't mean it's still protecting your engine. In fact, oil that looks normal can already be chemically exhausted. What's shocking is how many long-term diesel problems trace back to this one mistake. Premature injector failure, sticking EGR valves, turbo lag, increased fuel consumption. Consumer Reports shows these issues often share a common root cause: oil that didn't meet the engine's exact requirements from the start. And once these systems begin to fail, owners often chase symptoms instead of causes. Parts get replaced, software updates get applied, but the underlying wear continues because the oil choice never changed. Consumer Reports stresses that correcting the oil early can slow or even stop this cascade, but waiting too long makes every fix temporary. This is why Consumer Reports calls oil the lifeblood of modern diesel engines. Not just a maintenance item. It's the difference between a truck that runs strong for decades and one that slowly self-destructs while appearing perfectly fine from the driver's seat. And if you think this only applies to newer trucks, Consumer Reports strongly disagrees. Even older diesel engines suffer accelerated wear when modern oil standards are ignored or mismatched. Whether it's emissions equipment or raw mechanical components, the wrong oil always finds a way to do damage. And Consumer Reports goes even further by pointing out that many diesel owners unknowingly mix oil standards over time. One oil change uses the correct specification, the next uses a close enough substitute, and over thousands of miles, additive packages clash. That chemical imbalance reduces lubrication strength and increases internal deposits without triggering a single warning light. Another overlooked factor Consumer Reports emphasizes is oil storage and handling. Oil that's been sitting in open containers, exposed to moisture or contamination, can lose effectiveness before it ever reaches the engine. This happens more often in small shops and home garages than people realize, and once that compromised oil circulates through a diesel engine, the damage begins immediately. There's also the issue of top-off oil. Consumer Reports notes that adding the wrong oil between changes, even a single quart, can dilute the entire system's protection. Diesel engines rely on carefully balanced additive formulas, and introducing mismatched oil can throw off that balance instantly, especially in engines with smaller oil capacities. What makes this mistake even more dangerous is how quietly modern diesel engines mask the symptoms. Consumer Reports explains that electronic controls compensate for wear by adjusting fueling, timing, and boost. The truck still feels strong, but behind the scenes, the engine is working harder to produce the same performance, accelerating causing long-term damage. And when problems finally surface, they often appear unrelated. Hard starts, rough idle, increased regen frequency, or unexplained oil consumption all seem like separate issues. Consumer Reports shows that these are often downstream effects of oil-related wear that started tens of thousands of miles earlier. This is why Consumer Reports urges diesel owners to stop treating oil changes as a checkbox item. It's not about changing oil, it's about changing the right oil at the right time with the right filter every single time. Miss one of those and the engine begins paying the price immediately. The financial impact of this mistake is staggering. Consumer Reports estimates that improper oil practices contribute to billions in diesel repair costs every year. And unlike cosmetic damage or minor mechanical failures, oil-related engine wear almost always leads to major component replacement. What's most frustrating is that this damage is almost entirely invisible during normal inspections. Compression tests, scan tools, and visual checks can all pass while microscopic scoring and bearing wear continue inside the engine. Consumer Reports warns that by the time a mechanic can measure the damage, the repair options are limited and expensive, and that's why Consumer Reports says this oil change mistake deserves far more attention than it gets. It's not dramatic, it's not loud, and it doesn't break anything instantly, but it quietly rewrites the lifespan of your diesel pickup engine mile by mile, long before you ever realize something is wrong. And Consumer Reports stresses that this issue is becoming more common as diesel technology keeps evolving. Engines are more efficient, more powerful, and more emissions controlled than ever before, but that also means there's less margin for error. What used to be a harmless shortcut with oil now becomes a long-term engine killer. One major reason this mistake keeps happening is misinformation. Consumer Reports explains that outdated advice still circulates online, in forums, and even among experienced mechanics. Tips that worked on older mechanical diesels can be disastrous for modern common rail systems. Trusting old school habits instead of manufacturer-specific data is one of the fastest ways to shorten engine life. Another critical point Consumer Reports makes is about break-in periods. The oil used during early engine life plays a huge role in how internal components wear together. Using the wrong oil during the first few changes can lock in poor wear patterns that follow the engine for the rest of its life, even if you switch to the correct oil later. And then there's heat management. Consumer Reports highlights that diesel engines generate extreme heat under load, especially when towing. Incorrect oil struggles to maintain viscosity at high temperatures, causing oil pressure drops at the worst possible moments. That's when bearings, pistons, and turbo shafts suffer irreversible damage. Consumer Reports also warns about overconfidence in oil additives. Many diesel owners pour in aftermarket treatments hoping for extra protection. In reality, these additives can disrupt the carefully engineered oil chemistry modern diesel engines rely on. Instead of helping, they can reduce lubrication efficiency and increase deposit formation. The longer this oil change mistake continues, the harder it becomes to diagnose. Consumer Reports notes that wear-related problems don't show up as single failures. They appear as patterns: slightly worse mileage, slightly louder operation, slightly more frequent regions. Individually, they're easy to ignore. Together, they're a warning sign. And here's where owners get trapped. Consumer Reports explains that once a diesel engine starts compensating for internal wear, maintenance costs creep up slowly. A sensor here, a valve there, a software update to smooth things out. The engine stays on the road, but the core damage keeps spreading. This is why Consumer Reports emphasizes prevention over repair. Once oil-related wear sets in, no tune-up, no additive, and no late oil change can fully undo it. The only real protection is getting oil selection and service habits right from the very beginning and never cutting corners. Because at the end of the day, diesel engines don't fail suddenly. They fail quietly. And this oil change mistake, backed by Consumer Reports data, is one of the most common reasons powerful diesel pickup trucks slowly lose their reliability, durability, and long-term value. And Consumer Reports makes it clear that resale value takes a hit long before the engine actually fails. Subtle signs of internal wear show up in diagnostic data, oil consumption patterns, and emissions performance. Dealers see it immediately, even if the truck still drives fine, and that quiet oil-related damage can knock thousands off a trade-in offer. Another angle Consumer Reports brings up is fleet maintenance data. Trucks maintained with exact oil specifications consistently outlast identical models that used acceptable acceptable alternatives. Same engines, same loads, same routes. Only the oil practices differed. Over time, the difference in engine health becomes impossible to ignore. Consumer Reports also highlights that diesel pickups used for daily driving face a unique risk. Short trips prevent oil from reaching optimal temperature, allowing moisture and fuel to accumulate inside the crankcase. If oil changes are delayed or the oil isn't designed to handle these conditions, corrosion and sludge formation accelerate dramatically. Then there's seasonal oil mistakes. Consumer Reports warns that sticking with one oil year-round can be harmful in extreme climates. Cold weather starts demand rapid flow, while summer towing demands heat stability. Using oil that's marginal in either condition puts continuous stress on engine components that were designed for precision lubrication. Even oil change records don't always tell the full story. Consumer Reports notes that maintenance logs often show oil changes done on time, but rarely specify exact oil standards. That missing detail can hide years of improper lubrication, making it difficult to trace failures back to their true cause. What surprises many owners is how fast improvement can happen when the mistake is caught early. Consumer Reports explains that switching to the correct oil and adjusting intervals can stabilize wear rates, reduce regeneration frequency, and restore smoother operation. The engine doesn't heal, but the damage curve flattens, but that window doesn't stay open forever. Consumer Reports warns that once wear particles overwhelm the oil's ability to suspend them, abrasion accelerates rapidly. At that point, every mile does more damage than the last, and the engine enters a downward spiral. This is why Consumer Reports urges diesel owners to take oil decisions personally. Don't assume the shop knows your engine better than you do. Don't assume close enough is safe. And don't assume modern engines are forgiving. They're efficient, powerful, and precise, but only when maintained exactly as designed. Because the real danger of this oil change mistake isn't just engine failure, it's how long it goes unnoticed. And by the time most diesel owners realize something's wrong, Consumer Reports says the opportunity to prevent it has already slipped away. And Consumer Reports emphasizes that this mistake often starts with good intentions. Owners want to save time, save money, or stretch service intervals just a little, but diesel engines don't respond to shortcuts the way gasoline engines sometimes can. Every compromise in oil choice compounds over tens of thousands of miles. Another key warning from Consumer Reports involves oil pressure behavior. Using the wrong oil can create pressure readings that look normal while flow is actually reduced. Bearings and turbo components don't just need pressure, they need volume. That hidden imbalance starves critical parts while the dashboard shows everything is fine. Consumer Reports also points out that newer diesel engines use tighter bearing clearances than older designs. That means even small viscosity errors matter. Oil that's slightly too thick struggles to reach tight spaces quickly, while oil that's slightly too thin fails to maintain protective film under load. Either mistake leads to accelerated wear that can't be detected without teardown. Then there's the issue of soot loading. Consumer Reports explains that diesel engines naturally produce soot, and modern oils are designed to trap and neutralize it. When the oil isn't formulated for your specific engine, soot clumps together instead of staying suspended, turning oil into an abrasive slurry that slowly sands internal components. Another overlooked detail is oil change timing after heavy use. Consumer Reports warns that changing oil immediately after extreme towing or long high-temperature runs can trap heat-soaked contaminants inside the engine. Letting the engine cool slightly allows more complete drainage and reduces residue left behind, small habits that add up over time. What makes this mistake even harder to catch is how normal everything feels. Consumer Reports notes that many trucks with oil-related wear still pass emissions tests, still make full boost, and still tow confidently. The driver feels reassured, while internal clearances are quietly widening. And once clearances widen, oil consumption increases. Consumer Reports explains that many owners treat rising oil consumption as a nuisance rather than a warning sign, but that extra oil burning further contaminates emission systems, increases regeneration cycles, and feeds back into the same destructive loop. This is why Consumer Reports repeatedly stresses education over reaction. Knowing your engine's exact oil requirements, understanding your driving conditions, and adjusting maintenance accordingly does more to protect a diesel engine than any aftermarket upgrade ever could. Because when it comes to diesel longevity, power and torque get all the attention, but oil discipline is what actually determines whether that engine becomes a legend or a liability. And Consumer Reports makes one final point that every diesel pickup owner needs to hear. Engines that last 500,000 miles aren't lucky engines, they're protected engines. They survive because every oil change reinforced the engine's design instead of quietly working against it. Consumer Reports explains that the best diesel engines don't rely on heroic driving habits or perfect conditions. They rely on consistency, the same correct oil, the same correct specification, the same disciplined intervals. Over time, that consistency compounds just like mistakes do, but in the opposite direction. What separates long-lasting diesel trucks from problem-prone ones isn't brand loyalty or horsepower ratings. According to Consumer Reports, it's whether the owner treated oil as a precision requirement instead of a generic fluid. The engines that fail early almost always show a history of close enough oil decisions. Consumer Reports also stresses that manufacturers don't choose oil specs arbitrarily. Those specifications are built around bearing materials, turbo tolerances, emissions hardware, and thermal loads unique to each engine. Ignoring that guidance isn't rebellion, it's self-sabotage. And this is why the oil change mistake is so dangerous. It doesn't feel reckless, it feels responsible. The oil gets changed, the truck gets serviced, the receipt looks right, but inside the engine, the chemistry is wrong, and chemistry always wins eventually. Consumer Reports urges diesel owners to slow down and verify every oil change. Read the spec label, confirm the standard, ask the uncomfortable questions at the shop, keep records that show more than mileage, because the cost of checking is nothing compared to the cost of assuming. The truth is, diesel engines are brutally honest machines. They don't care about intentions. They don't care about habits. They only respond to what flows through them every mile, and oil is the single most important substance they ever touch. So if you own a diesel pickup, Consumer Reports says this isn't a warning to panic, it's a warning to pay attention. One oil change won't destroy an engine overnight, but repeated small mistakes will quietly rewrite its future, mile by mile, until the bill finally comes due. And that's why this oil change mistake deserves far more attention than it gets. Not because it's dramatic, but because it's invisible, expensive, and completely avoidable when you know what to look for.